welcome. Today we are looking at history, answers to the questions that we looked at yesterday. Thanks for subscribing. Question 4a. Aims of the Commonwealth of Nations: to promote world peace and international understanding, to enhance cooperation between member states in matters such as education, transport, sport, and economic development, to promote development in the poor member states, to ensure personal liberty and equality of rights to all citizens, regardless of race, color, creed, or political beliefs. B. Advantages of being member of the Commonwealth. Financial assistance is given to members from developing countries. Developing nations have been assisted in conducting market surveys, trade fairs, and marketing. Cultural exchange programs such as games have been promoted. Understanding, friendship, and cooperation are encouraged through consultation and discussion. Commonwealth scholarships are given to students to study in Britain and Canada. Technical cooperation has been promoted among members through the Commonwealth Fund for Technical Cooperation. The Commonwealth has promoted democracy and good governance through parliamentary meetings and observing elections. It creates a forum for members to air their views on international issues. It has assisted the youth to undertake projects through the youth programs. It has promoted legal systems and respect for human rights and rule of law. 5a. Characteristics of the Commonwealth of Nations. Members recognize the Queen of England as the head of the Commonwealth. Members maintain cultural ties. They hold Commonwealth Games every 4 years. Members cooperate in education. Members share common democratic institutions from Britain, for example, parliamentary system of government and independent judiciary and civil service. Members have a similar military system. Members use English as a common language. B. Commonwealth Secretariat's functions. It coordinates programs among member states. It encourages projects that are of benefit to members. It organizes the Heads of State Summit and the Ministers' Conferences. It circulates information and anything of general interest to member state countries. It coordinates organizations that deal with economic and financial matters. It is an agency of consultation and the exchange of information among members. C. Specialized agencies of the Commonwealth. Commonwealth Science Council, Commonwealth Youth Programs, Commonwealth Fund for Technical Cooperation, Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, Commonwealth Agricultural Bureau, Commonwealth Development Corporation, Commonwealth Press Union, Commonwealth Regional Health Secretariat. Challenges of the Commonwealth: inadequate funds to run operations, withdrawal of some members, for example, South Africa in 1961 and Pakistan in 1972, political instability in some countries such as Sierra Leone, developed countries' dominance undermines decisions in political matters. Developed countries' dominance undermines decisions and policy matters. Lack of executive authority or army to enforce its rules. Developing nations prefer to cater for national issues before an international body issue. There is lack of commitment and divided loyalty among members because they also belong to other organizations. I repeat, there is lack of commitment and divided loyalty among members because they also belong to other organizations such as the United Nations and non-aligned movement. Personality differences between the leaders, for example, Robert Mugabe and Tony Blair, undermine cooperation. Ideological differences based on capitalism and communism during the Cold War affected decisions. Colonial rivalry was an immediate challenge when the body was formed. Britain was still leading in colonial positions and plans on peace initiatives could not be achieved. 6a. Definition of non-alignment. Non-alignment refers to the neutrality or independence of policy and actions in international affairs. Founder leaders of the non-aligned movement: Jawaharlal Nehru of India, Sukarno of Indonesia, Marshal Tito of Yugoslavia, Gamal Nasser of Egypt, Guellai of China.